हॅलो माय डिअर फ्रेंड्स, बॅक टू माय मोनिका होम स्टडी यूट्यूब चॅनल. आज आपण एक्सरसाइज बघणार आहोत क्लास 7 सब्जेक्ट जनरल सायन्स लेसन नंबर 13 चेंजेस इन फिजिकल अँड केमिकल. चला तर आपल्या व्हिडिओला लवकरात लवकर सुरू करूया. क्वेश्चन 1. Distinguish between the following. A. Physical change and chemical change. Answer. I will read physical change. The chemical composition of a substance does not change. Second, easily reversible. Third, no new substance is formed. Melting of ice is an example of physical change. Chemical change. The chemical composition of a substance does not remove same, not easily reversible. New substance are always formed. Burning of paper is an example of chemical change. B. Periodic change and non-periodic change. Periodic change. Events that repeat themselves after a fixed period of time and whose occurrence can be predicted are called periodic changes. Second, example rotation of earth, revolution of earth, day and night seasons, etc. Non-periodic changes, the events that do not repeat themselves after regular interval of times are called non-periodic motion. Example, natural disaster like earthquake, cyclones, etc. See natural change and man-made change. Natural change. The change which are brought about by nature itself and are not under the control of human are called natural changes. Second example, change of season, tides in sea, aging of plants, etc. Man-made changes. The changes which are brought about by humans are called man-made change. Example, burning of fuels, cutting hair, switching on lights, etc. Question 2. Under which different types can the following changes be classified? A. Conversion of milk into yogurt, that is a chemical change. Second, bursting of a cracker is a chemical change. C. Occurrence of an earthquake is a natural change. Revolution of the earth around the sun is a periodic change and straightening of a spring is a physical change. अशाच प्रकारे तुम्हाला तुमच्या नोटबुकमध्ये नोट करायचं आहे आणि पेपरमध्ये आलं तर तुम्हाला अशाच प्रकारे लिहायचं आहे. Question 3. Give reason. A. While purchasing canned food, its expiry date should be checked. Answer. While purchasing canned food, their expiry date should be checked because an expiry date indicates that for how long a canned food is safe for consumption. Canned foods with expired dates are not considered worth consumption as they could affect our health. They might get contaminated with microorganisms like bacteria or may have no nutritional value left after its expiration. B. An iron article should be given a coat of paint. Answer. Iron article often undergo rusting, resulting in the formation of a reddish brown layer on its surface. Rusting is caused by the exposure of iron of the air and water in the surroundings. An iron article which is coated with a paint prevents the interaction of iron with the surrounding. See, a wooden article should be polished. A wooden article should be polished because it protects the wooden articles from sunlight and all other internal conditions, and also it reduces the probability of wooden mites damaging the furniture. The copper and brass utensils should be tinned. Copper and brass materials also undergo corrosion, resulting in the formation of a greenish layer on this surface. When the surface of copper brass comes in contact with air or water, it results in corrosion, and to prevent this, the process of tinning is used. In this process, copper and brass articles are coated with tin. E. A dry handkerchief gets wet at once on dipping in water, but it takes long for a wet handkerchief to dry. Answer. A dry handkerchief gets wet and at once because it quickly absorbs the water in which it is dipped. However, it takes longer for a wet handkerchief to dry because the water needs to evaporate from the handkerchief. Evaporation is a slow process which is dependent on other factors as well, like relative humidity. This is the main points of a question. Fourth, what will you take into account while identifying the following? A. A physical change in a substance. Answer. Physical change are those changes in which only the form of substance get modified. The chemical nature and composition of the substance involved are not altered. Characteristics. No new substance is formed during a physical change. Most physical changes can be reversible easily. The chemical composition of a substance undergoing physical change remains the same. हे असे पॉईंट टू पॉईंट तुम्हाला ॲन्सर्स लिहायचे आहेत जेणेकरून तुम्हाला याच्यामध्ये म्हणजे एक्झाममध्ये फुल मार्क्स भेटतील. बी. अ केमिकल चेंज इन अ सबस्टन्स. Answer. Chemical changes are changes that involve reaction of a substance with one another. Such reaction result in alternations in the chemical composition of the substance involved. These changes lead to the formation of new substance. Characteristics. One or more new substances are formed during a chemical change. Most chemical changes cannot be reversed easily. The chemical composition of a substance undergoing chemical change does not remain the same. A chemical change is always accompanied by a change in energy. Question 5. Read the paragraph and note down the various types of changes. It mentioned it was nearing 6 o'clock in the evening. The sun was setting. A breeze was blowing. Leaves on the tree were shaking. Sail was setting in the country yard. Rolling balls of wet soil and shaping them into various toys. Then he felt hungry and went into the house. Mother made a dough from wheat flour and fried pears. While eating hot pears, his attention. So याचा आन्सर हे आहे. It was nearing 6 o'clock in the evening. Periodic change. The sun was setting. Periodic change. A breeze was blowing. Natural change. Leaves on the tree were shaking. Physical change. Sahil was sitting in the courtyard, rolling balls of wet soil and shaping them into various toys. Physical change. तर अर्ध आहे अजून पण